Hi there, little friend. Let's go on an animal adventure. Look. It's a dog. Dogs like to wag their tails and play fetch. Woof, woof. Now here's a cat. Cats love to nap and chase string. Meow, meow. What's that? It's a cow. Cows say moo and give us milk. Moo moo. Here comes a duck. Ducks waddle and swim in ponds. Quack, quack. Wow, a big elephant. Elephants have long trunks and big ears. Trumpet sound. Here's a monkey. Monkeys swing in trees and eat bananas. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Now look, a horse. Horses gallop fast and say, neigh. Neigh, neigh. What's hopping over there? It's a bunny. Bunnies have long ears and love carrots. Oh, a lion. Lions are big cats with loud roars. Roar! And finally, here's a penguin. Penguins waddle and slide on the ice. Flap, flap. Great job, Animal Explorer. You met so many new friends today. See you next time. Bye-bye.